Bauxite can be used for aluminum smelting industry, precision casting, refractory products, etc. Bauxite ball press is the raw material. After grinding directly on the machine production, no need to add water. It can complete the pressing work of active materials such as bauxite powder, bauxite ball, alumina and quicklime. Its purpose is to reduce dust, control capacity, return utilization, improve transportation characteristics, and other capacity design is mainly used for bauxite powder pressing into pellets. Bauxite ball press rolls are cast with 65 manganese. After special heat treatment, the hardness can reach more than 58 degrees. The roller cover is assembled in combination and can be replaced after wear. Bauxite ball press has a buffer device which can better protect the equipment from hard objects. Bauxite ball press is designed with ball bowl adjustable device so that the two roller ball bowl is always within the adjustable range, never misplaced.